guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this mushroom rice Indian style. It's a very easy and very quick recipe and it is super delicious. You will absolutely love this recipe. If you do not have enough time, this is the right recipe to make. So now let's begin with the recipe. First, in a hot pan, add 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Add 4 chopped garlic cloves. 2 stems curry leaves and fry it until the garlic is nice and brown. Then add 2 sliced onions. Fry the onion until nice and brown in color. Something like this. Then when it reaches to this stage, leave it in a separate bowl. Then in the same pan add 2 tablespoons oil and add 400 grams of mushrooms, cut in half. Then fry this for about 5 minutes until it turns nice and light brown. Something like this. Then when the mushroom reaches something like this color, then add 2 tablespoons tomato paste, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon chaat masala, and fry this for about a minute. Do not add any water at this point. Then add some salt to taste. Salt will help to release the moisture from the mushrooms. Then fry this for about a minute. Please do not add any water in this recipe. Then add 600 grams of rice. Add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Also add handful of chopped coriander and then add fried onion mix. Then fry the rice for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you fry this very nicely. Then add some salt to taste and give this a really nice mix. There you go, the recipe is ready now. This is a perfect recipe. If you love mushrooms, you will absolutely love this recipe. So do try this recipe at home guys, and if you love this recipe then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. And also I have so many other recipes on my channel, please do have a look. If you tried this recipe and if you liked it, then please do comment guys. And thanks for watching my recipe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.